Okay. We will start with the words.
Yeah.
So just now I have told you, you all can write it down, okay? A piece of cake, a cup of coffee, a bed of roses. Meaning of all these three things is very easy. Write it down because at last I will give you a topic and you have to use this. So write the words along with meanings.
Wait, ma'am, wait.
Yes, yes.
Piece of cake.
Write the meaning as well. No need to write examples. I will give you the PDF. Just write the the word and the meaning. And examples, do
Okay,
not
okay.
copy it. I will give you. Do not worry. So meaning is very easy. Now, a bed of roses. What is the opposite of bed of roses? So bed of
Very
roses.
difficult.
Yes, it's very difficult. But what is the other idiom that we can use instead of a bed of roses? A bed of thorns.
Okay, yes, yes.
THORNS. अगर लिखना है तो लिख
Kaate.
सकते हैं.
Yes,
Yes, कांटे.
yes.
कांटे भरे रास्ते, फूल भरे
Mhm.
रास्ते. So that is what.
Mhm.
Okay, do you have any Hindi idioms? Both of you?
So many mediums, ma'am.
Like,
Like, uh, I do not
क्या
remember in my mind.
घोड़ा क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद स्वाद या
हाँ,
something was that.
हाँ. ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा,
हाँ.
है
And
ना?
okay, one I will give you
Right.
English. Tell me the Hindi one. Okay. Apple of
Okay.
my eye.
Apple.
Apple of my eye. हम अपने बच्चों के लिए यूज करते हैं. कलेजे का टुकड़ा. ठीक है.
Okay, okay, okay.
आंखों
Okay.
का तारा. So
हाँ, हाँ,
that is
हाँ.
apple of an eye.
Okay,
So there are
okay.
so many
Apple.
beautiful idioms, you know. And if we can use in the sentences, it's awesome. Okay, now example, dancing is a piece of cake for me. So the meaning is dancing is very easy for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Speaking Spanish is a cup of tea. So cup of tea for him, speaking Spanish is very easy. And the last sentence, life is not bed of roses. We use this, right? In sentences while we say. So the three things I have used. So now I want both of you to make sentences with this three. Okay, starting from Naveen, a piece of cake.
Driving a car is a piece of cake for me.
Okay, a cup of coffee.
You know, to speaking my own language is a cup of tea.
Okay, a bed of roses.
Bed of Joseph is the means uh,
Anything, just easy.
to to
Easy की
to
जगह
take
पे
a
yes,
to take a challenge is not a bed of roses.
yes, very nice. Ravindra, a piece of cake.
No, I don't make any sentence.
Why? It is so easy. You just tell, you don't have to make, write down. You just say a piece of cake. Try to say. You did not get the meaning?
Yeah, easy for me.
Yes. So make a sentence with easy for me, then remove the easy and put a piece of cake.
Don't remember.
And learn.
Yes. Try any one sentence you try. Okay, do you speak English fluently now?
No.
So what will you say?
Actually,
English? Like speaking
English is
Spanish? Yes, eh? Try, you can. It's very easy. आप पहले easy से sentence बनाइए. So first make sentence with easy. What is easy for you? Make sentence with very easy first. Okay, Vedanath, you came. Oh my God, it is such an easy word, and you're not able to. Okay. Vedanath, are you in? Okay, let's go to the second.
yes, yes.
Are you traveling, Vedanath?
Yes, ma'am, driving. I'm driving.
Okay. So I'm just repeating the first word for you. Okay, today we are
Yes,
doing
yes.
idioms. All right. So the
Okay.
first idiom is a piece of cake, okay, a cup of coffee, a bed of roses. So the meaning
Yes.
of all this is same. The meaning of all this is very easy.
Okay.
Okay. And the examples are dancing is a piece of cake for me. Speaking
Yes.
Spanish is a cup of coffee. Life is not a bed of roses. So can you frame your own sentence with any one of the words?
The cake, dancing the piece of cake. In Spanish, a cup. That's not bad. So yes. Piece of cake. So cake.
Try to make sentence with very easy, then remove very easy and put a piece of cake or a cup of coffee.
The cup of piece of cake. Taking space. Uh,
Try.
dancing the piece of cake. And is the only dancing is the piece of cake for me? No, other thing also.
Anything. Like whatever if you feel easy to do in life is piece of cake for you.
Okay.
I made the sentence that driving is a piece of cake for me.
So for
Driving?
Naveen, driving is easy.
So you make
Okay,
your
you
own
are a good
sentence.
cook. You are a good cook. Last time you shared
Yes.
with us. So what will you say? Cooking?
Cooking is a piece of cake for me.
Yes,
Yes.
finish. Ravindra, what do you like to do?
yeah, I have also this car driving not easy for me.
Okay, so car driving is not a piece of cake for me.
Piece of cake.
Opposite of Naveen. All right. So let us go to the second one. Once in a blue moon. And next is
Once.
few and far between. Meaning of this is very rarely means there are some persons, suppose we meet regularly, हमारे दोस्त है कुछ हम रेगुलरली मीट करते हैं लेकिन सडनली फिर वो लोग को नहीं देखते, हम गायब हो जाते हैं, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें देख के, बहुत दिनों बाद मुलाकात हुआ, राइट, वी से लाइक दिस दैट आफ्टर मैन लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम सीइंग यू, सो लाइक वंस इन अ ब्लू मून आई सॉ यू, दैट टाइम.
Means it means the ईद का चांद होना.
हाँ, ईद का चांद होना, यस.
I am
कोई चीज या कोई इंसान जिसे हम मिस अचानक से मिस बहुत दिनों बाद नजर आता है जो चीज. हाँ, ईद का चांद भी तो लाइक इट डजंट कम रेगुलरली, राइट? इट कम्स आफ्टर मेनी मंथ्स or year. So meaning is very rarely. Example, you can be seen once in a blue moon nowadays. अरे आजकल तुम नजर ही नहीं आते. So in that way, where are you in few and far between? Okay. So where are you in few and far between? So now you all have to make sentence either with once in a blue moon or few and far between.
Man, both of are the same thing, same meaning.
Same thing.
na?
Meaning is same.
Okay.
Very rarely. कभी कभार जो हम बोलते हैं ना वर्ड कभी कभार, that is very rarely.
Madam, after election, leader comes in our area once in a blue moon.
Yes, it is very
Good,
true.
good.
Okay, Ravindra. Yeah, Ravindra, fast.
No,
Vaidyanath.
I visit to my village
Time.
once in a blue moon.
Very nice. So like sewai, okay, the food, that is a thing. We have sewai once in a blue moon when there is Eid. Just as an example, we can say about things also. It's not always person, all right? Or about place. So Ravindra, I'm waiting for you. Fast.
no, ma'am, I don't remember any sentence.
Okay, you prepare. We will go to the next one. All right. So in the blink of an eye, the pronunciation is in the blink of an eye, and next is in no time. Meaning is same. Immediately. Jaldi se jaldi. Okay. So where did you disappear in the blink of an eye? कहाँ पे गायब हो गए इतने जल्दी? Okay. She finished the project in no time. The project is finished immediately. Might be it would take 1 year, but you have completed within 1 month. So you have completed the project in no time. So now I would like the sentence from Vaidyanath first. In the blink of an eye or in no time?
In accident occur in front in a blink of an eye.
Yes.
There
The
is
accident
accident
happened
occur
in front of me in the blink of
in the
an
blink of an eye.
eye. Yes. Naveen,
Yes, ma'am.
which
Oh,
one will you use in?
After the road accident, we should bring the patient to rush to the hospital in the blink of an eye.
Yes, very true. Ravindra, your sentence?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So number 4, hit the jackpot or strike
Gold.
gold. Yes, strike gold. Okay. So what does it mean? To succeed. If you are achieving something, all right, then it is called. So example is he hit the jackpot getting admission in IIT Kharagpur. क्योंकि मिलना इतना आसान नहीं होता है एडमिशन वहां पे. So if you get it, then it is like hitting a jackpot. So Naveen, your sentence?
Okay, ma'am. Meaning to succeed now. I am speaking English is hit the jackpot.
Yes, it's like hitting the jackpot.
Okay. Now, I can, please correct this sentence. because I want to say that I am, I am speaking English is hitting the jackpot like,
I
or
am
other word.
speaking the English like hitting the jackpot. Means you're succeeding in it.
I am speaking the English like hitting the jackpot. Okay, okay.
Yes, because since it is a continuous process, you haven't developed. You are developing.
Okay.
So it's like hitting the jackpot. Hitting is what? Continuous.
Okay. So
Hitting the jackpot.
we can change the idioms according to the tense.
Yes, everything tends to wherever you use the sentences, you have to use either in present, past or future.
Okay.
Idiom, हाँ, idiom use कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? Okay, Vaidyanath.
After purchasing lottery, lottery, no, sorry. After
To winning the lottery.
after purchasing lottery in 7 years, he hitting the jackpot.
He hit the
And
jackpot.
he hit the jackpot.
अभी मैंने इसमें क्यों hit बोला? क्योंकि like he got it present
Okay.
at that
Okay.
day. So that's why it is hit the jackpot. Okay, Ravindra, try Ravindra. See, all of them are trying. You're not trying. Hitting the jackpot, strike gold. If you don't try, then you will not be able to. If you try, then you will be able to. अगर इससे नहीं हो रहा है तो to meaning जो है उससे बना लो. To succeed.
Madam, one
Yes.
sentence. After work hard, I have learned English like hit the jackpot. Is okay?
After working hard. After working hard,
I have learned English like hit the jackpot. Yeah, like hitting the jackpot.
it like hitting the jackpot.
Hitting the jackpot.
And Ravindra and Vaidyanath,
Yes, ma'am.
your sentence.
Uh,
You have given the sentence, right? The lottery one.
yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. अच्छा. Be all at sea. अभी इसमें जो है be, the word be, अगर sentence में आप use नहीं करते हो be, तब भी चलेगा. All at sea use करना है sentence में, or at 6s and 7s if you want to use. Okay. So इसका मतलब होता है, the meaning of this is you are confused. Okay. So all at sea means you are confused. He is at sea about the meeting.
Okay.
Or like before the presentation, he was at his 6s and 7s. Yes, he was confused before the presentation. So now, Naveen, your sentence.
I am always be on the
But-
sea while learning grammar.
I am always at sea while learning. I am all
Okay.
at sea while learning grammar. B जरूरत नहीं है वहां पे देने की. Okay.
Okay.
So Vaidyanath.
The pronunciation of English people is be all at sea for me.
Okay, the pronunciation of English people is all at sea.
Is all at sea. Okay.
Yes. Because when we put that be no in the sentence becomes hodgepodge and meaningless. So that's why we do not put. Just while saying the word, just we put it. So
We
this
can
all
also
is
use, ma'am. We can also use that at 6 and 7 or be at 6 and 7.
at 6s and 7s.
At
Because you
sixes.
try after the class, you try to make with be, the sentence will not rhyme or it will not go in sync. But if you
Okay.
don't put be, you will see the sentence is correctly formed. So you all have written all the words, or should I show
Yes,
it from
ma'am.
first? because you have to use these words in the next slide. You have to build a story.
Situation. You are at home late at night when you for some rings.
Home
Ring
related.
number unknown.
Okay, now the topic is the unexpected phone call. This is I have given the title, or this is your topic for the day, the unexpected phone call. Now, both of you all of you have to give a title to the story. All right. And the situation is you are at home late at night when your phone suddenly rings. Train. Right? A number is unknown. You do not know that person. You answer the call and the other side says something that completely changes your plan for the next day. Means
Okay.
उसने ऐसा कुछ कहा कि कल का जो भी आपका प्लान था सब चेंज हो गया. Now the clue words, you can use the help of these words or you can use your own words. Okay. Midnight, unknown number, mysterious voice, shocked, next morning, suitcase, train station, surprise, sacred, unexpected ending. So ending should be unexpected. Suspense होना चाहिए
Madam.
कुछ ending में.
Madam, I don't understand what we have to do.
You have to write a story based on this situation.
Okay. Well, situation will be the same and
Yes.
we use these two words.
Yes. You can use this clue words or you can use your own words. कंपल्सरी नहीं है क्लू वर्ड्स यही यूज करेंगे आप. आपका स्टोरी कुछ डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है.
Okay.
क्लू वर्ड्स अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या लिखेंगे नहीं लिखेंगे तब आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं. बट मैंने जो ईडियम सिखाया है आपको वो पांच ईडियम्स यूज होना चाहिए सिचुएशन में.
Okay, means clue word and the idiom should be used in this story.
Yes, in the story you should use the idioms and clue words your wish. You can use or you can leave. But idioms you have to use in the situation.
Okay.
So just try it.
And
Okay,
ma'am, now
give some time.
Yes. I'm giving time. You just take your time.
ma'am, now I can do.
Yes, I know you're driving.
No, I'm not driving. I'm standing in parking mode.
Okay. Good.
So I forget.
You are at your home?
No, home is almost 35 kilometers from here. I'm
Okay,
just standing.
So that words you remember?
I also forget the earphone.
Okay, I'm telling you the words. Okay. First word is a piece of cake.
Yes.
Second word is, wait. Let me show you all, then it will be good. Once in a blue moon. Piece of cake means easy. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. ठीक है, once in a blue moon use करना है और piece of cake use करना है. And number 3, in the blink of an eye. And number 4, hit the jackpot. And number 5 is be all at sea.
I don't have any pen and paper.
Okay, do one thing. Whatever it comes to your mind, you just create a story. Okay.
That words I'm forgetting that words.
Okay, just tell, do not stress on that words. You just create a story with this situation.
Okay.
Since you're driving, so we can't help it. But Ravindra and Naveen have to use the idioms.
Okay, madam. I am doing that.
Hmm.
Ma'am, last month, in I think it is 20, in 15th. Last month in 15th, there was heavy rain. That was heavy rain at the time.
Hmm.
I got a phone call of some unknown number, which is not um in my phone book, and he
Hmm.
told that my sister actually died at that time.
Okay.
Uh, I was slept. It is almost 12:30, 12:45, I think, that time. She was admitted in the hospital and she died. And it was heavy raining at that time. Uh, so, uh, I can't. Uh, I can't move from to. I decided to go in the morning. Uh, then after in the morning I reached there and take her dead body to Puri and Puri Swargadar and uh, did all the funeral there. Actually, like I can make the story.
It is going on well. The way you have told the story, it is good. And what is the suspense thing that, what was the suspense or sacred thing that, or the surprising thing or unexpected thing for you? So for you, the unexpected thing is that you were not
Uh,
informed before.
Move in the midnight. If any call came in the midnight, it is just is I always worry for that. Is it a
Hmm.
bad message or what I think? At the time I
Yeah.
was slept. I slept early. Every day I slept early. Uh, but at 12:30 when the phone rang, I think, is there
Hmm.
any trouble? I picked the phone.
Hmm.
If anybody is in trouble, I pick the phone.
Yeah, once if we go across such situations, so next time when we get calls on that time, we feel very scared,
Mm.
right? Because these
Yeah.
situations hamper
Yes,
us a lot. Recently, like
sir.
my uncle was very serious. So,
After, before 2 years also, I got this type of phone call that my brother met an accident in his factory.
my
There is a steel rod entered in his thigh,
God,
um, and some person
I think there's some
told
network.
that your brother met an. Please come there. I made the dinner. I prepared the dinner at the time, and
Hmm.
suddenly I went to the hospital.
Hmm.
Uh, went to the hospital. Then my brother never told and told me not to inform to the home
Hmm.
because they worried. First
Yes.
we make the first aid, then we informed to the home. Even uh, even my bhabhi also he did
Hmm.
not know about that situation.
Yeah, it is like this only because the people who suffer, they do not want others to suffer for them. So
Yes,
it
yes, yes.
happens. And yeah, if somebody is at the hospital and very serious, if we get calls, we get nervous, like what am I going to hear next? Right? It happens.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Naveen, you have created your
Yes, ma'am.
story. You have
Yes,
created?
ma'am. I have created.
Hmm.
So I am telling the story.
Hmm.
At the midnight, I received a phone call of unknown number. I pick up the phone in no time or in the blink of an eye. The person on the other side said that you have won the 1 crore a prize, like hitting the jackpot. But I all at sea or at 6 and 7 to hearing this news because I received this type of call once in a blue moon. But when he assured me that it is a true news, then I am very happy to hearing this news. Now I can buy a car in like a piece of cake.
Very nice and very nicely synced with each other.
Yes.
So didn't you feel good when you use those idioms while creating the sentences? Right. It
Yes,
feels very good when you use all this kind of words. So there was a student of mine who said first meeting, he was trying to speak in English. English was all right, but I felt that he is a bit nervous. And always like there is LKK factor, no log kya kahenge, that type. I just told him,
Yes, ma'am.
your English is not poor. You are not confident. That's why you're not speaking up. Next day, I don't know what happened. Really, the nervousness fully gone.
Wow.
And maybe he was not that much fluent, but he was speaking, was sharing his thoughts, his experience in the office. In that way, I think he was my first student in 1 week. His fluency developed. Because it was not the language, it was the inner fear, the dilemma that he was
Yes, ma'am.
going.
That is the neuroscience, ma'am. Everyone has the same problem like your students. We also feel the
happens.
same.
Might be like they are not treated in a good way in office. Like, that you don't know English. Today also I met one person, the same thing. If he goes to speak in English, his colleagues think that he will not be able to speak in English. They speak in Hindi. So how will you get encouraged to speak in English? So it happens. Okay, Ravindra, your story.
No, ma'am.
Today,
Okay,
what you
okay.
have thought not to speak. आज क्या मौन व्रत है आपका?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं
ऐसे
सेंटेंस
स्टोरी
बना
सुना,
ही नहीं पा
अच्छा
रहा।
सभी ने कुछ कुछ इंसिडेंट सुना है, वैद्यनाथ जी ने सुना है, आप भी सुना दीजिए कुछ, कोई इंसिडेंट ये सिचुएशन को देख के।
नहीं, आज
थोड़ा
मेरे
हिंदी में
माइंड में
सुना
तो कुछ
दीजिए,
आई
थोड़ा
नहीं।
सा तो
हाँ,
बोलेंगे।
हिंदी में भी सुना दीजिए, हमें सुनने का मन है।
हाँ,
मेरे
हेजिटेशन तो
माइंड में
खत्म
आज
हो।
कुछ आई नहीं रहा है।
कुछ भी जो घटा हो या कुछ याद आ रहा हो, कोई इंसिडेंट सुना
Tell
दीजिए।
anything.
Yeah, tell
We are
anything.
on same category.
Life have many up and downs.
Yes, we all have something or the other, right? And if we share, then it is like sharing your this experiences.
Some happy moments.
Happy, sad, everything.
Everything. We are eager to listening you.
Yes, we will not leave the class until you say something.
कोई गाना ही सुना दो।
आज मेरे माइंड में कुछ आई नहीं रहा है।
Anything, really, anything related to your experience. वैद्यनाथ जी ने जैसे सुनाया है अपना, ठीक है, एक्सपीरियंस।
Some memorable moment.
मेरा माइंड
Some
आज
happy
थोड़ा
moment.
डाइवर्टेड।
आज क्या हुआ है आपको? मीन्स आप तो पार्टिसिपेट करते हो, आज हुआ क्या? कुछ हुआ है क्या?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
So silent, but every time I see in class you try to speak. What happened today?
आप उनको एक स्टोरी दे दो, वो उसको रीड कर लेंगे। Because I'm
I
not
think
feeling good.
Okay,
today
so
his
now
mood is-
what I'll do one
so-
thing. I will give you that Aankhon ka tara. Okay, that is apple of my eye. So make a paragraph with apple of my eye. Naveen.
What is that?
Apple of my eye.
आपको क्या था?
Apple of my
My
eye.
eye.
What is the English meaning of
My
simple
daughter.
English meaning? Very
My
pretty.
favorite, like a favorite of
Favorite.
parents.
Favorite of
Dulara.
favorite of parents. Okay.
There are childs no who are very much liked by their parents.
My daughter Shivangi Sharma is my apple of my eye. I love her so much, and she is dancing very much. She is speaking very
So she's dancing gracefully.
yeah, she is dancing gracefully. Her voice is very sweet, and her you know शरारते को क्या बोलेंगे मैडम?
His mischievous
Naughty.
things. Oh, sorry, her mischievous
हाँ,
things.
she is very naughty.
And
So
mischievous. Not naughty, mischievous. Naughty नहीं बोलते उसको. Means वो शरारती
she is
को
very
mischievous कहते हैं.
mischievous. So that is why she is my apple of my eyes.
Very nice. वैद्यनाथ
Yes, ma'am.
वैद्यनाथ जो आज कहाँ पे है? ओके.
I'm going through the jungle road. Sometimes the elephant come in this room.
Oh my God. Okay, रविंद्र now say आप apple of my eye. ये तो बहुत हो गया आज. Apple of my eye बोल ही दीजिए अभी. Okay, you have a daughter or son, Ravindra?
Son.
So say about your son something. I have two daughters and one is 17 years old and one is 11 years old. Both are my apple of eyes.
See,
And
Vedanat has created.
Goodbye for now.
what is that man? Sararat? What you are speaking about? The Sararat?
Okay, mischievous. Mischievous.
Mischievous. They are not
Let-
such mischievous, but all the time they are fighting with each other. But
Okay.
still they are my apple of eyes.
It will happen. If there are brothers, sisters also, it will happen.
My younger daughter is waiting for me. I am taking for a chat for him. Chat, you know the chat?
Chat. Yeah, chat.
हाँ,
Chat.
chat.
अच्छा.
That's aloo papdi chat.
Okay, chat. अच्छा.
चार
Chat.
मुंह में पानी आ गया.
Yeah, वही मैं बोलने ही वाली थी.
Before he rang me and told that when will you come? I'm feeling hungry.
My mouth is watering.
Then I'm starting moving from that side. I'm I park my vehicle and talk to and join in the meeting. When she told that come quick, then I'm starting moving.
Okay, so nice and so
Madam?
cute. Yes.
Madam, what is the difference between the naughty and the mischievous?
Naughty means like if he's doing something which is hurting somebody.
Okay.
खुद को
Bad
हर्ट
way.
करना किसी को हाँ और mischievous means like just टांग खिंचाई करना and all that, not that type, mischievous. कुछ ना कुछ
Okay,
गिरा
okay.
देना
मतलब
या
good way
कुछ
is the
करना.
mischievous.
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
And bad way is naughty and good way is mischievous.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Ravindra, we are still waiting.
Yeah, I have two sons.
It's not sons,
Elder
okay? It's
one-
sons. Sons.
Sons.
Yes.
Elder one 16 years and small one is 9 years. And the elder one learning class 10 and small is from class 4.
Okay.
And they both are fighting each other.
Okay.
But both my apple of eye.
See, so
When
nicely you said.
when he is in together, fighting every time.
If there is no fighting in brothers and sisters, there is something wrong. अगर कोई घर में बोलते कि नहीं करते तो वो कुछ ना कुछ गलत है, मुझे लगता है भाई बहन में होगा ही थोड़ा बहुत ये सब तो.
That is
It's a common
abnormal.
thing. Not yeah, natural and normal. And now I miss those days. Those days maybe we would quarrel or we would do something, but again we would come together and talk. But now, like he's in Hyderabad, I'm here. So like we have in phone call only. So that time I realized that those were such beautiful moments that we spend with our brothers or sisters, right? So this is it. Okay, I'm going to ask you all some words and you will have to tell me what you pronounce those words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first
Okay.
word is, write it down. BOWL. I'm writing it in the chat. Just see. BOWL.
Ball.
Bowl.
Ball.
Yes. Because most of them are pronouncing it as bowl, but bowl is wrong. It is ball. Bati. Bati को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ball. Okay. Now next is this. What is this word?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes, Naveen is right. That S जो है ना वो Z pronounce होता है और D silent. तो वो हो जाता है Wednesday. All right? Okay. The next word.
Pizza.
D. The first Z is D. Pizza. The.
Okay, pizza. Okay,
हाँ,
okay.
pizza.
Pizza. Okay, okay. No pizza. Okay.
No.
Okay. I have learned new word. Pronounce.
These are silent words which are killers.
Hmm.
Okay. This one, COMB. इसका मतलब है कंघी. What do we say?
Comb.
B is silent. Com.
Comb. Okay.
Now, such words as BOMB, bomb.
Bomb. Yes. Yes.
Then LAMB.
Lamb.
Yes. It is
Lamb.
not lamb, it is lamb.
Lamb. Okay.
Yes. जैसे कि साइलेंट वर्ड्स में नाइफ भी आ गया. KNIFE लिख रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रोनाउंस करने के समय क्या कर रहे हैं?
Knife. K
Knife.
silent.
हाँ, K साइलेंट. तो जब भी
Like-
आप देखेंगे कि दो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स एक साथ आ रहा है तो एक साइलेंट हो जाता है. Like scissors. When we write the spelling scissors, it is SCISSORS. तो इसमें हम S प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर रहे हैं. दोनों ही कॉन्सोनेंट है. S भी कॉन्सोनेंट है, C भी कॉन्सोनेंट है. तो हम जो है C साइलेंट कर, C का प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या होता है? क.
Hmm.
तो इसमें हम C को साइलेंट कर देते हैं, इसलिए सीजर्स. साइंस. सो जो भी SC रिलेटेड वर्ड्स होगा तो C साइलेंट रहता है उसमें. ओके. So these are few small tactics that you should learn. See in Google, you'll get many words. Like there is a chart.
Like
only.
Like pneumonia.
Silent M.
Pneu-
Yes.
Pneumonia start from P.
Pneumonia.
Okay, another
Phenomenon.
like there is the most toughest that nobody could make it. Wait, it was
Psychology.
Start from P.
yeah. So the next word. GENRE. What is it?
GENRE.
Genre.
G.
Huh?
Genre.
Okay. Ravindra.
January.
Acha. Vedana.
GENRI.
RE. GENRE. See in your chat box, chat.
GENRE.
GENRE.
How you pronounce it?
Generate, whatever it is, right? अच्छा, अब सबका pronunciation सभी का wrong है. Genre.
Oh my God.
Genre.
I never heard this.
Okay,
G
what
stands for
is?
Joe.
Yes, genre.
Genre. Okay.
Yes, genre. Can you imagine?
No,
क्या
ma'am.
spelling है और क्या pronunciation है? सोचिए.
Ah, nobody
इस-
can guess.
No,
the-
you cannot. Because we studied, that's
Genre.
why we know.
No,
Now
no,
this
what
one,
is this meaning of genre?
categories.
Hmm?
जैसे कि there's films. Films are of different categories. Musics are of different categories. That categories is known as genre.
So categories. Okay.
जैसे कि हो गया horror genre, फिर comedy genre. And if a new actor gets an award, okay, if a new actor gets an award, so like what is it called? DEBUT.
Debut.
Yes, T is silent. Debut. Best debut actor. They say it in that way. T silent हो जाता है.
Yes.
अच्छा, चलिए और एक क्लास देखते हैं. CRD. Next, CARD. BOARD.
CORT.
CARD. Oh, sorry, I have given. I have written a wrong spelling. Wait. CUPBOARD.
Cupboard.
Yes.
Cupboard.
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 Yes, cupboard. P is silent.
Cupboard.
Again, you see, P and B are two consonant sounds. So it is cupboard. And CU ku nahi pronounce ho raha hai, ka ho raha hai. Cupboard. And P is silent.
Cupboard.
Yes. So for today, it's this much only. I hope you have utilized it properly. But Ravindra, you have to practice idioms. ठीक है? And Vaidyanath, thanks for joining after such traveling also.
Yes.
Okay. So
Thank you
anything
so
you all
much.
have, you all have to say something? Anything you need to
ma'am,
know
thank-
about your classes?
I don't want to. I don't want to miss the fluency class.
Yeah, because every day we have to give you some activities to do. And once you do all these activities, you can see that there is a lot of improvement. And I'm trying to bring out new things so that you are bound to speak. So let's see. Next time I'll give you a video like eagles. I will give you this time lions. ठीक है? So अगर आपको पहले ही मिल जाता है YouTube में, देख लीजिए. It will be very helpful to you. What is like lion's mentality? Okay, lion's mentality.
What is lion mentality means?
Mentality.
Lion's mentality topic.
Okay. Oh,
Last time we did eagle's mentality. Now next we
Okay.
will do next. I think ma'am will take the classes. After ma'am, I will take lion's mentality.
Okay.
Okay then. Have a good day, each one of you. Okay. And Navin, please send me
Thank
your
you so much, ma'am.
fly ID. Fly ID. ठीक है? Navin, send
Yes,
me
yes,
your
ma'am.
fly ID. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you
Okay.
so much,
Have a
ma'am.
good
I will
night.
learn.
Have
night,
a
good night.
good dinner. Enjoy with your family. Bye.
Okay, good night, ma'am.
Bye bye.